Welcome back. I have teased it long enough. This week we're starting the biggest project we've ever done on the channel, and that is building a master ensuite behind me. There's going to be a couple parts to this. Part one is going to be all of the demo and framing, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the future videos. But stay tuned if you want to see us turn this into this. Just kidding. Haven't even started. All right, before we get started, I just want to kind of give you guys an idea of what we're looking to do. This is kind of final unless we have any last minute changes. But I'm gonna flip you around, and as you can see here, I've got it laid out in some blue tape. So this bedroom, apologies for all the tools, is massive. It's about 25, 28-ish feet by 13 feet wide. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the room off right there. Still gives us a ton of room over here to have, you know, bed, dressers, etc. But we're gonna put a wall in here. This is gonna be our oversized shower. That's about 7 foot by 42 inches, I believe. Vanity over there, toilet in the back corner, and obviously the door here. So first things first, obviously with a wall going right there, that window's gotta move. So we're gonna replace that with a smaller one just above the top in the shower. And obviously our door is right there. That needs to be kicked over quite a bit. This wall is hollow with the exception of this electrical, and that's just a pass through. It's not actually a cold return. So I'm gonna move this door as far to the left as I can and still fit the outlet or the switches right there. So this door has to go as well. But before we can do any of that, it's everybody's favorite day, demo day. So let's go. All right, so a quick update. As you saw, we got all of the trim removed, the door casings and the window. I don't know where we're gonna cut that piece of trim yet. It all depends on where this wall is going to lie. I'm also gonna leave the window in for now. Our temperatures are expected to drop into the high teens as the high all next week. So I'm gonna leave that closed in for now until we get all this other stuff situated. So next we're gonna pivot to this door. Like I said, we're going to try and move it over as far as we possibly can. I don't really know what's behind there, so our only option is to cut out this drywall. It's got to go anyway because that's going to be where the door is going to go. As with all of these projects, you have on paper, you know in your mind what you want to do, but you never actually know until you cut open the walls and see if it's feasible. So, like I said, let's get this cut open and figure out what we're going to do with this door. All right, so as you can see, we got this whole pocket opened up. So I think what I'm gonna do, in fact, what I am going to do is our closest stud is right here that this double box is mounted to. And these again are just the closet lights for both of the closets. So I'm gonna unwire this, bring it back through the ceiling. What I'm gonna do is instead of having the closet light switches here, they're gonna be in each of the closets. So, I mean, quite frankly, instead of just turning your closet light on here, I'm gonna move it and it's just gonna be right inside the wall. So I'm gonna have to go in the attic and fish it down. But I think removing this is gonna give us, you know, 6-7 extra inches in our actual bathroom. So these are gonna go, and this switch is for the room itself, is gonna mount on this stud that's right here. And then we'll have obviously our framing for the door here, and then we'll gain about 13 inches in the bathroom itself by moving this door that far over. So next step, I'm gonna get this door cut out, then we can start framing the new door opening. All right, I did not film it because it is nighttime, it's dark out. I had to cut the power, so there was no lights. I was running all this electrical with a headlamp on up in the attic. So just to give you a quick recap, again, we removed the 3 switches that were here. I've moved the closet's light switch into just inside the closet. And then again, that we have the one for the room right here. All right, I'm drenched, so it's break time and time for a quick update. So as you saw, we got all of the hardwood flooring removed. So all of our demo is done with the exception of the drywall and this window. Like I said a little bit earlier in the video, we're gonna be leaving that until that window comes in due to the cold temperatures outside. So next we're gonna move on and start framing this wall to make up the bathroom. So I'm gonna get the laser level, string it across just to make sure our wall's perfectly plumb. I did treat myself. So obviously if you're gonna be doing big projects like this, saving 20, 30 grand by doing the bathroom yourself, you can afford some tools. So I picked up the Milwaukee framing nailer. Honestly, I just didn't want to pull a compressor up the stairs and deal with the cord with all the tools and everything like that. So I picked this up, should make quick work of this wall. So let's get to framing. All right, as you've seen, we got the rest of that wall all framed up. If you didn't put together, the two openings are going to be for those recessed medicine cabinets. We have two in our master downstairs right now, and they hold so much storage and free up your vanity. They're a must. I'm in a predicament and I need your help. So I'm back and forth between, do I do an extra long shower or do I do a standard 60-inch shower and then have a little storage cubby right here kind of built in? I'll drop a picture from Pinterest of what I'm kind of talking about, but drop a comment down below what you think I should do. Should I do the whole length shower or should I have that towel rack little nook along the side? And then I did draw just in pencil up here what that window is going to look like. It's going to go up to this line over there. It's going to let in a ton of natural light, so I'm super excited about that. But that is going to do it again for this episode. We got all of the demo done, most of the framing, as much as we could get done. But make sure you're subscribed. We have a lot more coming on the master bathroom and master bedroom. Next episode, we are going to be doing all of the electrical and all of the framing. You're not going to want to miss it. So again, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell for notifications. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it very much, and we'll see you next episode.